If you're looking for a quick and effective way to monitor network threats, Tenable might be exactly what you need. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to leverage Tenable's powerful tools to keep your network safe. Stick around until the end, and I'll even show you how you can get started with Tenable for free with some exclusive bonuses. First off, Tenable is a leading cybersecurity platform designed to help organizations identify, assess, and monitor network vulnerabilities and threats. Its primary focus is on vulnerability management, providing visibility into every asset in your network to help prevent breaches before they happen. Next thing you need to know is Tenable's flagship tool, Tenable.io. This tool scans your network in real time, identifying any weaknesses that could be exploited by attackers. It does this by continuously monitoring and assessing network devices, including hardware, software, and configuration settings, against a constantly updated database of known vulnerabilities. You get actionable insights so that you can fix any threats before they become real problems. The fourth thing I want to highlight is Tenable's comprehensive reporting. After scanning your network, Tenable offers detailed reports on vulnerabilities, prioritizing them based on risk. This allows your security team to focus on the most critical threats first. With Tenable's clear, prioritized reports, you'll always know where to focus your attention, making threat management more streamlined and efficient. Now, let's talk about Tenable's integration capabilities. Whether you're using CM tools like Splunk, security orchestration platforms, or even ticketing systems, Tenable integrates seamlessly with many other cybersecurity tools, enhancing your security workflow and giving you a more cohesive view of your network's health. Another feature that stands out is Tenable's scalability. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, Tenable grows with your needs. It's designed to handle networks of any size, so whether you're protecting a handful of devices or thousands, Tenable ensures that your network is continuously monitored for potential threats. Finally, let's talk about Tenable's proactive monitoring. Rather than waiting for a threat to hit, Tenable provides continuous scanning and alerts you to any vulnerabilities before they can be exploited. It even allows for automatic patching, meaning vulnerabilities can be fixed with minimal manual effort. Now, before you go, I want to remind you that you can start using Tenable today for absolutely free with our exclusive bonuses. Just click the first link in the description to get access. By now, you should have a clear idea of how Tenable can help you monitor network threats. With its real-time scanning, comprehensive reporting, integrations, scalability, and proactive monitoring, Tenable is a robust solution for keeping your network secure. Don't forget, the link below offers you an extended free trial. Take advantage of it while it lasts.